Welcome. Today we are beginning a research unit. Remember earlier in the year when your class researched gorillas or crayfish? Let's review how to rev up our minds first. Here's a chart that should be familiar to you. Rev up your mind before reading nonfiction. The first thing you should do whenever you grab a book is think, what sort of text is this? Is it a fictional story? Is it a biography? Is it a nonfiction story? Maybe it's a nonfiction biography. The next thing you should do, if you know that it's a nonfiction book, is read some of the text features and think, what will this mostly be about? Text features can be diagrams, maps, captions, photographs, headings. Even the table of contents is a great starting point. Once you know what the topic is, you're going to recall some prior knowledge that you have about that topic. In this case, all of our topics this unit are going to be animal related. So you would think about everything that you know about that animal before you start reading the book. Focus will be looking through animal books and deciding which topic you want to study the most. Let's start. I have some books about animals on Epic that I'm ready to look through. Your books are already listed on your Google Slides, and you'll be looking through collections like tigers and endangered animals. One of the first books I chose was Emperor Penguins. So I'm going to click the book and start to preview it. The Emperor Penguin, the world's biggest penguin. So it's definitely a nonfiction book, and it's going to teach me. An adult emperor penguin can grow up to about 40 inches, so it's giving me lots of facts, which makes it about as tall as a 6-year-old child. So these emperor penguins are about as tall as a first grader. Wow, that's really interesting. I don't have a table of contents, but here's a picture kind of comparing this 6-year-old to the size of the penguin. I have a picture of maybe an adult emperor penguin with a little caption. Emperor penguins can grow about to be 40 inches. The males weigh as much as 84 pounds, and the females weigh about 65 pounds. So already I can kind of infer that the male penguins are larger than the female penguins. So I'm definitely learning a lot of different things about the sizes of these emperor penguins. Before I move on, what else do I know about penguins? I don't know a lot about emperor penguins per se specifically, but I know that penguins are one of the only birds that can't fly. I know that they can glide through the water, and I know that they eat fish. I believe that one of their predators are seals, but I'm really not too sure. Let's see what else I can learn. Oh, it teaches me about where they live. Gives me a map to show me that they're only in Antarctica, or the emperor penguins are only in Antarctica. Oh, it shows me about their feathers and how it keeps them warm. That seems pretty interesting. So I can definitely say that I know some things about penguins, but definitely not a lot, but they are really cute. Let's try a different book. Dolphins, you know I love those. Okay, so this is another nonfiction book, and it's going to teach me about the bottlenose dolphins specifically. The beloved animals, swimming, hunting, babies, predators. Ooh. Let's see. I already know that bottlenose dolphins are very playful. They can jump. They talk to each other using echolocation. I know that they have teeth. I know that they are mammals. I know they eat fish. I know sometimes they get caught in fishing nets because they need to come up for air, and sometimes the fishing nets keep them underwater. So that's a big threat to them. I know a lot about dolphins. Let's see what else this book has. Okay. So it has the whole body of the dolphin here. Here's a group of dolphins. Oh, I know that's called a pod without even reading. It says temperate continental shelf. Ooh. Swimmers. Here's their body. Oh, their dorsal fin. I know that keeps them balanced. Their pectoral fins help them to steer. Ooh, I know a lot about dolphins. I'm not so sure this is a great topic for me to study because I already know so much about them. There's not much for me to learn. Let's try our last book. Endangered and Extinct Invertebrates. This book is actually in the endangered animals folder. All right, so the first thing when I look at this book, I'm thinking invertebrates, what's that? It's definitely a nonfiction book, and it's going to teach me about endangered invertebrates, extinct invertebrates, how to help them. But I think kind of the first thing I need to know is what is an invertebrate before I can even begin to think about what I know. So here's the first page. Invertebrates are animals without backbones. There are many types of invertebrates, and it gives me some. Okay, so animals without backbones. I know. Okay, well, I obviously know worms don't have backbones. I don't know if snakes do. I know fish do. I don't really know a lot about these. I'm not really sure what kind of spider that is, but that creeps me out. Delta green ground beetle. Oh my gosh, it seems like these have a lot to do with like different bugs and stuff. There's like, maybe it's some type of dragonfly. Greek red damsels. Oh. There's like some kind of snail, and they're in trees. Oh. Coral. Staghorn coral lives in the ocean. Oh, so coral is an invertebrate? Huh, that's interesting. I definitely don't know a lot about this topic, but it's kind of creeping me out because of all of like the different bugs and slimy things. I think I decided on my topic. I'm going to take my survey now. What do you think I chose? Come back tomorrow to find out. Now it's your turn. Time to get researching.